In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your iCloud backup faster, ensuring a more efficient experience when managing your iPhone data. Let's dive right in and explore some simple yet effective steps that can significantly speed up the iCloud backup process. First, it's essential to connect your iPhone to a fast Wi-Fi network. A strong and stable internet connection is crucial for a speedy backup. This helps in moving data quickly between your device and iCloud, so make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. If you're backing up over a slow or unstable connection, it could considerably slow down the process or even interrupt it altogether. Next, ensure your iPhone is plugged in. Backups can be quite power intensive, and having your device connected to a power source can prevent any interruptions due to low battery. Plus, being plugged in is often a requirement for automatic backups to start, so it's a good habit to have your charger nearby during this process. Now let's consider freeing up some storage space. Start by clearing unnecessary data from your iPhone. This includes removing apps, files, or media that you no longer need. The more data you have to back up, the longer it will take. Reducing the amount of data on your iPhone means a quicker and more efficient backup. Then navigate to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, then iCloud, and finally Manage Storage. Here you have an overview of what's taking up space in your iCloud. It's a good idea to turn off backup for apps that you don't need. Perhaps you don't require backups for photos or mail. By disabling backup for certain apps, you not only save space in iCloud, but also reduce the amount of data needing to be transferred, speeding up the process. Another helpful step is to delete old backups. Within the same iCloud menu, review and delete backups of previous devices that you no longer use. These old backups can unnecessarily take up valuable iCloud storage, making it harder for your current device to back up quickly. Once you've streamlined your storage, you can manually initiate a backup. Go back to Settings, select your Apple ID, iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and tap on Backup Now. This forces a backup to start immediately using your newly configured settings. Remember, during the backup process, try to avoid using your iPhone. This ensures all resources are focused on the backup, making it smoother and faster. These steps should help you achieve a quicker, more efficient iCloud backup each time you need it.